So we're going to take a closer look at a traffic stop that occurred in order to take a better understanding of some pros and cons on how to successfully operate amongst law enforcement out here as black men and further beyond men in America, and understanding the dynamic and how this whole thing plays out. And take note of the fact that profiling, racial profiling, ethnic profiling is not seen as a negative. It is held as a standard of good practice in law enforcement. It's not like profiling for job with HR, at a restaurant, or some kind of a service sector position or something like that. No, these things are there and they exist and are held in good practice. So we need to understand more about this dynamic and how to successfully operate within it, and furthermore, use it to our advantage.
Hey man, real quick, with the new constitutional carry laws in the state, are there any firearms in the vehicle?
It's March 3rd, 2023, and officer.
Okay, so right off the bat, the way he asked that question right there, if that is you and there is an officer asking you a question like that, and you have provided your driver's license, you have provided your proof of insurance, or whatever other documentation may be good practice in whatever state or county you're in.
All right, man, not a big deal. You know,
I ain't drunk though, or none of that though.
hey man, I ain't going down that road.
All right, so now if you don't answer questions, it's a little bit of a problem, because he now has probable cause to ask you to come out of the vehicle. He First off, he's in suspicion of you having a firearm. Now, if you get a closer look here, he looks nervous. You know what I mean? He doesn't look very solid. Um, and that is something that, just like I'm seeing here in the video, the officer is able to see.